Okay, in this video I'm going to explain how you can get off the Grubhub waitlist. So what you want to do is just load up your web browser on your phone or PC, doesn't matter, and just Google search for Grubhub phone number, and I'll explain what you have to do. So here what we want to do after we have Google search for a Grubhub phone number is open up this contact us Grubhub corporate accounts. Now you don't want to call this first number, you want to call the second number, which is this one, because it says when to contact account setup questions. So we're trying to set up our Grubhub account. So usually how this works, Grubhub has a big turnover rate or a high turnover rate, which means that people quit Grubhub very frequently. So they are constantly looking for new people. So what you want to do is just call, see if there are any openings for the specific area which you're trying to deliver in, and then there's a very high chance that they will push the button on your account and enable you if you hit the correct moment. So if you call at the correct moment, then they will just enable your account. If you don't get enabled immediately, you can call every so often to check if there are any new openings up for that specific area you are trying to deliver on Grubhub. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.